We have a Kimball piano here that was bought privately online. It's probably 80s, I think, or maybe 70s. There's a broken bass string, and the touch doesn't quite go up to as near close to the hammers as it could do, so there's a lot of lost energy in your hands. The other problem is the chipped keys, lots of chipped keys, so the whole lot needs to be redone really. And just minor cosmetic damage, as well as reasonable hammer wear. Refacing probably could make that, correct that problem. The other thing I noticed is that the hammers are so far back from where they should be originally that when they come back too far, and they hit this wood here, like a woodpecker. So just by adjusting those, that will get rid of that noise. It's got a nice tone, it's very rich. And just very out of tune.